continue from our last video that we're looking at the prescription, see if we made a mistake or not. So the answer is no. The pharmacist did not make a mistake because 5,000 milligrams of medicine is 5 grams of medicine. Now we can do this in same thing if we have application problems. So if you have a one boxer weigh 85 kilograms, he is 80 decagram heavier than his opponent. Now again, you have two different units, so you want to go from kilogram to decagram, which you will need to multiply 100. Okay, 10 to the second because you move twice, 10 times 10. So then you just go ahead, take that, multiply 100, so 8,500. Then we take 8,500, that's the weight of the boxer, and then now we need is heavier so than the other opponent. So the other opponent is 80 decagram lighter. So we minus 80, so the answer is 8,420 decagram. Now, if you want to do this whole question by changing decagram to kilogram, it will work as well. Now, your answer would have been 84.2 kilograms instead. Here's another example. A 2-liter bottle contains 87 centiliters of oil and 4.1 deciliter of water. How much more liquid is needed to fill the bottle? Now, we have two different units, centiliter and deciliters. So we want to change, we can change both of them to liters because we have a 2-liter bottle. So 87 centiliters is equal to 87 divided by 100 because it's going upwards to 2 liters. So it's now 0.87 liter. Now 4.1 deciliters is 4.1 divided by 10. So 4.1 deciliters is equal to 0.41 liter. So you have the 2-liter bottle. You take away the 0.87 liters of oil and take away 0.41 liters of water. Then you end up with what's left over is 0.72 liters. The last thing we're going to talk about in chapter 5.3 is the temperatures. Now, the only two temperatures we usually use to convert between the Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. Here are the formulas, how to convert one to the other. Let's see how we use those formulas. For example, if you want to change from convert 100 Celsius to Fahrenheit, how do you do that? So use the first formula here. If I want Fahrenheit, I simply take 1.8 times the Celsius degree, whatever, in this case 100 plus 32. So you take 1.8 times 100 plus 32, you get 212 degree Fahrenheit. Now, coming the other way around, if you have a Fahrenheit, you want to go back to Celsius, then the Celsius equal to take your Fahrenheit degree minus 32 divided by 1.8 using the second formula here. The answer is 0 degree Celsius. So 32 degree Fahrenheit is the same as 0 degree Celsius. So, Mr. Supper travels is researching vacation destinations. He sees the average summer temperature in Barcelona, Spain is around 26 degrees Celsius. What's the average temperature in degree Fahrenheit? So this question we're going from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So using the formula Fahrenheit equal to 1.8 times the 26 degrees Celsius plus 32. So 26 degrees Celsius is equal to 78.8 degrees Fahrenheit.